Hello, beautiful listeners, and welcome back to Green Earth Essentials. I'm your host, Michelle Jackson, and today we're exploring two powerhouse roots that have been staples in kitchens, medicine cabinets, and wellness routines for centuries: turmeric and ginger. These two humble yet extraordinary plants are often referred to as nature's dynamic duo, thanks to their incredible health benefits, versatility, and rich histories. Whether you've been sipping ginger tea to soothe your stomach or adding turmeric to your favorite curry, chances are you've experienced a bit of their magic. But there's so much more to these roots than meets the eye. Today, we'll explore their origins, the forms they come in, how to use them, and why they're essential for a healthy lifestyle. Plus, I'll share how I personally love using doTERRA ginger essential oil for its amazing flavor and wellness benefits. So grab your favorite beverage and let's dive in. Let's start with the basics. What exactly are turmeric and ginger? Both are flowering plants native to South Asia and belong to the Zingiberaceae family. While they might be relatives, their characteristics are quite distinct. Turmeric is best known for its vibrant yellow-orange color, earthy flavor, and its primary active compound, curcumin, which gives it incredible anti-inflammatory properties. Ginger, on the other hand, has a zesty, warming taste and is often praised for its ability to soothe nausea and support digestion. Historically, both turmeric and ginger have been key players in Ayurvedic and traditional Chinese medicine, where they've been used for everything from pain relief to boosting immunity. Today, they're celebrated worldwide for their potent health benefits and culinary versatility. Now, let's talk about where these remarkable roots come from. Turmeric and ginger thrive in warm, tropical climates with plenty of rainfall. Countries like India, China, Indonesia, and Thailand are major producers of both. They're typically grown in loamy, well-drained soil that allows their underground rhizomes to develop fully. The cultivation process requires care and patience. For turmeric, the rhizomes are harvested after about 8 to 10 months of growth, while ginger is usually ready in 6 to 8 months. Both are hand harvested to preserve the delicate roots, which are then cleaned and prepared for processing into fresh, powdered, or oil forms. One of the things I love about turmeric and ginger is how versatile they are. Fresh turmeric and ginger have bold flavors and are perfect for cooking or juicing. Powdered forms are convenient for recipes like curries, smoothies, and even baked goods. Essential oils, however, take their benefits to another level. They're highly concentrated and capture the pure essence of the plant. For example, doTERRA ginger essential oil is steam distilled from fresh ginger root and is perfect for adding a flavorful, therapeutic boost to teas or desserts, while fresh and powdered forms are fantastic for cooking. Essential oils offer a potent, long-lasting way to incorporate these roots into your wellness routine. Let's dive into the amazing health benefits of turmeric and ginger. Turmeric is a powerhouse for fighting inflammation and supporting joint health, thanks to curcumin. It's also a strong antioxidant, making it great for overall immunity. Ginger, on the other hand, shines when it comes to digestion. It's fantastic for calming nausea, relieving bloating, and even supporting cardiovascular health. Both roots are also excellent for boosting metabolism and enhancing circulation. Essential oils like doTERRA's ginger essential oil amplify these benefits by providing a concentrated dose of their active compounds. Both turmeric and ginger owe their health benefits to unique active compounds. In turmeric, the star compound is curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Research shows that curcumin can help reduce inflammation at the cellular level, which is why it's so beneficial for joint health, skin conditions, and even brain function. However, curcumin is not easily absorbed by the body. This is why many people combine turmeric with black pepper, which contains piperine, a compound that enhances curcumin's absorption by up to 2,000%. Ginger's key compound is gingerol, which gives it that spicy, warming sensation. Gingerol is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, but it's also an incredible natural remedy for nausea and digestive health. Studies have even shown that gingerol can help reduce muscle pain and soreness after exercise. What's amazing is that these active compounds are present in every form of turmeric and ginger, fresh, powdered, or essential oils, though their concentration is significantly higher in essential oils due to the distillation process. So when you use something like doTERRA ginger essential oil, you're getting a supercharged dose of gingerol, which can have profound effects on your overall wellness. Understanding these compounds not only highlights the power of these roots, but also emphasizes how intentional use, whether through cooking, essential oils, or supplements, can maximize their benefits. The culinary uses of turmeric and ginger are endless. Turmeric is the star ingredient in golden milk, curries, and even salad dressings, while ginger adds a warming kick to teas, stir-fries, and baked goods. Personally, I love adding a drop of doTERRA ginger essential oil to my juices and sparkling water. It's soothing, flavorful, and packed with health benefits. For turmeric, try sprinkling the powdered form into your morning smoothie or latte. And don't forget about fresh ginger. It's perfect for grating into soups or marinades. These roots bring both flavor and wellness to your plate. Turmeric and ginger aren't just for the kitchen. Turmeric, for instance, is a popular ingredient in skincare. Its anti-inflammatory properties make it great for reducing redness and promoting a natural glow. Try mixing turmeric powder with aloe vera gel or unsweetened coconut yogurt for a simple DIY face mask. Ginger essential oil, on the other hand, is amazing for aromatherapy. Diffusing it can create a warm, energizing atmosphere, while applying it topically, diluted with a carrier oil, can help ease muscle tension. These roots truly shine in every aspect of wellness. Now, how do we get from farm to table or bottle? Fresh roots are typically cleaned, boiled, and dried before being ground into powder. Essential oils, like those from doTERRA, are steam distilled to capture their purest form. This meticulous process ensures that every product retains its potent properties, so you're getting the best quality possible. As we've explored the journey of turmeric and ginger, from their humble roots to the various forms we use today, it's clear that these incredible plants offer so much more than just flavor. Whether in powdered spice, fresh form, or potent essential oils, they bring unparalleled health benefits, culinary versatility, and natural wellness solutions to our lives. With that in mind, I encourage you to take a closer look at how you can incorporate turmeric and ginger into your daily routine, whether it's through cooking, self-care, or simply enjoying the calming aroma of their essential oils. Now let's wrap up with some ways you can support this journey of discovering the power of nature together. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the vibrant world of turmeric and ginger. These roots are so much more than spices. They're tools for wellness, self-care, and mindful living. Whether you're sipping a cup of ginger tea, applying a turmeric face mask, or diffusing essential oils, you're harnessing the power of nature. If you found this episode helpful, please share it with a friend or leave a review. And don't forget to support Green Earth Essentials on Patreon at patreon.com/Green Earth Essentials to help us continue creating content that inspires and informs. Until next time, take care and stay grounded in nature's wisdom. This is Michelle Jackson signing off.